Hey everyone, and welcome to the show. Today, we're diving into a potentially major shift in how the safety of our food is regulated in the United States. According to a recent report from CBS News, the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, is considering a plan that would end its routine food safety inspections. This is a pretty big deal, as the FDA is the agency responsible for ensuring that much of the food we eat is safe. So, what's the plan? Well, the FDA is reportedly looking to outsource these routine inspections to state officials. The argument is that federal inspectors are, in many cases, duplicating the work already being done by the states. Now, this isn't happening in a vacuum. The report also highlights that the FDA has recently undergone some significant staff reductions, leading the agency to hire contractors to handle the increased workload. There are a couple of sides to this. Supporters of the plan argue that it could lead to greater efficiency, with states potentially being able to conduct these inspections at a lower cost. However, others are raising concerns about the potential risks. Critics worry that outsourcing these inspections could compromise food safety, potentially leading to less rigorous oversight and putting consumers at risk. They argue that the FDA plays a crucial role in ensuring consistent standards across the country. It's important to note that this plan is still in the early stages and its implementation depends on Congress. But it's definitely something to keep a close eye on, as it could have a significant impact on the food we buy and eat every day. What do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on important issues like this.